good evening, good evening, everybody. I hope you guys can hear me. Welcome to our first live trading session in the month of December. And happy December to you. Happy December to you and your family. Happy December to you and yours. It's been quite a great year, and we are in the last month of the year 2023, and I hope you are as excited as I am because it's been a very beautiful year. Octa has been very gracious with so many giveaways, with so many so many promotional giveaways, so many promos, so many bonuses, so many free educational content. Man, it's been an awesome year. It's been a very, very beautiful year, and it's been a very, very great Octa year. So yeah, man, welcome. I see we have Yemex in the building. Welcome, Yemex. He is a beginner and he is a big fan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hemex. Yeah, man, let's get right down to it. As I said, it's been a very beautiful, beautiful year. I am super excited, very, very excited. For this last month of the year. I cannot wait to see how we finish the year. I cannot wait to see how we kill this year, and I cannot wait to see how the markets are going to behave this year. All right. So yeah, man. Let's get right down to it. Before we begin, I have something exciting for you guys that I want you guys to check out real quick. All right. Oh, what fun it is to trade with Octa offices.
Explore our holiday trading offers. Win outstanding prizes. Claim a 100% deposit bonus. Octa, trade to celebrate.
Isn't that amazing? Let's play that again. Buy and sell, sing along with me all the way. Oh, what fun it is to trade with Octa officer. Hey!
Explore our holiday trading offers. Win outstanding prizes.
Isn't that amazing?
Claim a 100% deposit bonus.
Beautiful.
Octa, trade to celebrate.
Beautiful. Just to give you guys a bit of background what is happening there. If you guys are not aware, Octa FX is hosting, or they have launched their yearly New Year promo prize giveaways. All right, they are giving away Rolex watch, they are giving away Apple watches, they are giving away the new Octa is the new blue merchandise. All you have to do is start trading with Octa as of today until the 22nd of December. You have to trade a minimum of 2 lots, all right, a minimum of 2 standard lots to qualify to get a free to get an entry ticket into the prize draw, and winners are gonna be announced, I believe, on the 23rd. Of December, winners are gonna be announced. Remember, the more you trade, the more you get a chance to win. The higher your chances of winning are, the more you trade. So let's start trading. Let's play that again. I really love that. I really love that. Okay, let's go. Sell, buy and sell, trading all the way. Oh, what fun it is to trade with Octa offers. Hey!
Explore our holiday trading offers. Win outstanding prizes.
Beautiful.
100% deposit bonus.
Beautiful.
Trade to celebrate.
Beautiful. All right, great. I hope you guys did enjoy that. I hope you guys did get that. All right, let's move on to today's session. Okay. Now, okay, there we go. Right. Let's move on with today's session. All you have to do for that is you just need to trade a minimum of 2 standard lots with Octa FX, and also remember you can get you can get your 100% deposit bonus. I will give you the promo code at the end of the session to increase your chances of profitability. All right, you can use that bonus as well to start trading, to add more trades so that you can get your entries into the live into the prize draw. So make sure that you are a part of that. Do not miss out. You can win a Rolex, a Rolly watch. All right, you can win Apple. They call them Apple and Hemis watch. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. I struggle to pronounce that, but it's called the Apple Hemis watch. Hemis watch. So make sure that make sure that you start trading today. Make sure you start trading. It starts today and it ends on the 22nd. So you start trading as of today until the 22nd of December, and the winners will be announced, I believe, on the 23rd of December. All right, it's a prize draw. Whoever gets nominated, because of the entries that they have, they will, I believe, I'm not sure how it's going to be done. I don't have the full details as yet as to if it's going to be based on how much profits you made or it's going to be a lucky spin draw. I haven't received those details as yet, but as soon as I do, I will let you guys know. But as I said, start trading. All right, start trading. All right. All right, start trading. Okay. Start trading with Octa. As the new year approaches, Octa has this amazing offer for you to take advantage of. All right, they also, over and above the competition that, not really the competition, but the prize door, they offer lowered spreads on popular instruments, increased leverage on daily stocks, and also the 100% deposit bonus from today until the 22nd. So trade on your real account and get tickets for every 2 lots. The more you trade, the more tickets you earn, and the higher your chances of winning wonderful prizes. Take home a Rolex, an Apple Hermes watch, or exclusive merchandise from Octa. Find out if you're a lucky winner on the 26th of December, not 23rd, 26th of December, on the official Octa YouTube channel. All the details are in the video description. Just follow the link. Celebrate the holidays with Octa. Lovely. And before we start with today's session, I just want to say any opinion, any news, research, prices, analysis, or other information discussed in this webinar or linked to this presentation is provided as a general market commentary and does not constitute as investment advice. And as always, I always say, if you are looking for any investment advice, you may speak to a regulated entity or a regulated key individual that will advise you in that regard. All right, so if you do want to know more about investments, if you do want any financial advice, speak to a regulated key individual that is regulated by the regulatory body, the finance regulatory body in your country. I hope that is clear. Welcome yet again. Welcome to today's session. Please do let me know where you are tuning in from. Do let me know your name. Do let me know if you're a beginner. Do let me know if you are an advanced trader. Do let me know if where you are tuning in from. So your name, your country, your city, and whether you're a beginner or you are a intermediate or an advanced trader. And over and above that, I just want to ask, if there is something that you are not familiar with, or there is something that you are interested in learning more about, please write it in the comment section. So next time when I prepare a presentation for such a live trading session or webinar, then I can touch on those things that you guys don't understand. Any trading concept that you want to know more about, please let me know in the comment section so that next time I can do a video based on that. I can do a live webinar based on that. All right, you just let me know, Isaac, I don't understand risk management, I don't understand that, I don't understand this, I don't understand key levels, I don't understand market structure, and all of these things that you want to understand, just put them there. I will review them. All right, I will review them and I will make the next webinar based on what you guys want to learn. All right, and if it is your first time here joining us, I just want to say welcome. God damn it, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, welcome. I'm happy to have you here, and hopefully this is not our last time being together. I'm hoping to see you next time, and if you are not here for the first time, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for sacrificing your Mondays to be here with me so I can teach you and I can also learn from you. You guys have become part of my family. I love you, and I hope that you guys love me as much as I love you. And that's it from me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And as I promised you guys at the end of the session, I'm going to give you a promo code that you can use to get your 100% deposit bonus so you can maximize your profit potential. All right. And I just want to let you guys know that by the end of this session, my mission is that by the end of this session, one, you should be a better trader. All right. By the end of this session, you should be a better trader. So from the trader that you were up until 7 o'clock and after 8 o'clock, there should be a difference. That's my intention for everybody that is here. Number two is I want you to become a better sniper entry. I want you to have better entries in the market. That's number two. At the end of this session, you should know how to get better entries in the market. All right. Number three is you should be a better risk manager. All right. At the end of this session, I want you to be a better risk manager so you can manage your risk well to avoid blowing your accounts. Understand that losses are part of this business. However, if you have good risk management skills, then you won't have any issues pertaining to that. All right. Let me give you a bit of an introduction about myself. My name is Isaac Izy for those of you who do not know me. All right. Let's see. We have Yolanda all the way from Cape Town, a beginner. We have Ronald. Ronald, I've seen you here before. Thank you for coming in again. We have Timba Malinga from Kimberley, having psychological issues, good at fundamental but suck at technicals. All right, we're going to be discussing technicals, so you are at the right place. We have Yemex. My name is Yemex, based in Lagos, Nigeria, and a beginner trader. Shout out all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. We have Tabisa all the way from Port Elizabeth, South Africa, and is a beginner. Shout out to you. Welcome guys. Welcome guys. And as I said, my name is Isaac Izy. I'm a professional Forex trader. All right, with a decade of experience, and in my career I have trained over 5,000 traders and made them become better traders, and I've held more than 300 Forex seminars throughout the Southern African region. And my aim is to teach and train individuals to become professional traders and to succeed financially. That is my aim. That is my vision. That is my mission. That is my calling. That is what I live for. So every time I come here, I want to teach you, I want to train you, I want to equip you with the necessary skills to become a professional trader. I don't produce gamblers, I produce professional traders. All right, that is my aim. Let's move on. Let's move on. So today, before we begin, I just want to touch on a few myths, especially for the beginners that are here. All right. If you guys have been trading for over 6 months to a year, then you'll understand that most of the things that I say here are myths and not necessarily true, because you probably have had them before. All right. Great. Myth number one. All right. Especially for the beginners, please pay attention. All right. Myth number one. You'll often hear people say, the Forex gurus, you can be profitable in X amount of time. That is a myth. There is no time limit, all right, to trading. There is no, you're going to be profitable in 3 months, all right. There is no scale that measures time, that if you come into trading, you have to trade for 3 months, then you become professional. That is a lie, all right. It differs from person to person. For some people, it's 3 months. For some people, it's 5 years. For some people, it's 2 years. There is no set amount of time to say that's when you need to trade or study for you to become profitable. It all boils down to the effort that you put in and your discipline as a trader. All right. So you cannot be profitable in X amount of time. That is a myth. That is a myth, all right? Myth number 2 is they say you don't need to do any work. Here's a robot or signals to do it for you. Again, another myth, all right? If you don't know what you're doing in the Forex market, even if you get the best signals, chances are you are going to lose your money eventually, all right? Even robots, they don't work 100% of the time. At some point, you're going to have to do some work. Where there is no effort, there is no results, all right? If you do not put in any effort, if you do not put in any work, there won't be any outputs. If there is no input, there is no output. So let's do away with the lazy mentality of wanting robots and signals other people to do the job for us, all right? Let us do the work ourselves, all right? Number 3 is that you can make a lot of money fast. That is a myth, all right? It is a myth. I just want to debunk it for you. It's a lie. It's a fast lie. It's a quick lie. It is a lie, all right? Hear me, I've been trading for 10 years. There is no such thing as quick money. There is no such thing as quick money. Are you with me? No such thing as quick money, all right? If you're chasing quick money, Forex trading is not the right place for you, all right? If you're chasing quick money, you will pay the price to prove that there is no such thing as quick money, all right? It takes time. It's a process, all right? It takes determination. It takes discipline for you to eventually become a professional, profitable trader, all right? Myth number 4, they say you can get rich with little to no money, all right? You often hear stories of people saying, I started with $100 and then I made $1 million. Big lie. Big lie, all right? That is just a facade to get you to part away with your money, because these people are selling you dreams. They make you believe that even with the last that you have, if you put it in Forex trading, then you're also gonna become a millionaire. It is all a lie. That's what it is. It's a myth. Most of these people that are saying these things have never really traded. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's impossible to make a lot of money from small money, but I'm just saying it's a myth. All right, it's all dependent on luck. Most of the people that do that eventually take the money back into the market and they cannot replicate those results. Truth is, the more you put in, the more you will get out. And also, again, like I said, discipline, all right? Discipline and the skill set is what will make you successful in this business, all right? And lastly is when people say, I have a holy grail strategy that no one else knows about and you can buy it. Let me tell you, Forex trading, it's as simple as buying low, selling high. There is no other secret. Whenever people tell you that they have a holy grail strategy and they want to sell it that nobody knows about, it's usually a lie. There is nothing new. You hear people saying, I trade like banks, I do this, I know secret that banks. No, it's all a lie. Everything is freely available to you. As you will see today, I'm also going to be giving you more gems, more wisdom that you probably didn't know about, but that doesn't mean that I came up with those. I also learned, because all of this information is there. There is nothing new. There is nothing, no new concept that people are coming up with. People just change names of things and they start claiming that they've come up with something new. They just take the old thing, recycle it, change the names, change all of that, and they claim that it's a holy grail. It's not, all right? The best way for you to be successful in trading is not just about learning the skill. It's about how you manage yourself, how you manage your emotions, your discipline, your determination, and your risk management. That's what's going to make you a successful Forex trader. As we all know, technical analysis is usually 10% or less of trading. 10% or less, even if you're not that much of a good technical analyst. But bottom line is, if you learn how to manage yourself, you learn how to manage your emotions and risk management, even if you have a strategy that is 50% accurate, you will become a successful, consistent trader. 50%. All you need is a strategy that is a minimum of 50% accuracy, that has a minimum of 50% accuracy, And you will, if you understand the concept of risk management, then you will become a trader. All right, so whenever you hear people saying whenever you hear people saying I have a holy grail strategy that no one else knows about, you can buy it, please just know it's all a myth. All right, we have Sudhir. Good evening, sir. This is Sudhir all the way from India, a beginner. Shout out Sudhir. Thank you for coming. We have Simon Siopela. Hi, I'm Sai. I never traded before. Welcome Sai. Let's go. We've discussed the trading myths, so now you know whenever you hear people saying this, usually they want to scam you. Usually they want you to part with your money so they can pay for their lifestyle. All right, thank God for Octa, we do not charge you for education. You get it absolutely for free every Monday here with myself, Isaac Izy, 7 p.m. Central African time every Monday, and also my fellow colleagues, speakers with Octa. Every single day there is different concepts being taught on the Octa YouTube channel. So find what works for you and you're going to become a good trader. All right, let's go on. So today we're gonna be discussing candlesticks with round numbers. Last time when the last session that we had, a lot of people didn't understand round numbers. A lot of people didn't understand the candlestick patterns that I was discussing. So we're gonna get there to that. Today we're gonna discuss also the breakout strategy. That is a very easy strategy for beginners to learn. All right, it's a very simple, more simplified method of trading that even beginners can use. All right, so today we're going to be talking about that. And lastly, we're going to be talking about risk management tools. So let's get right down to it. All right, and before that, can you guys maybe just take a screenshot of this? All right. Does Octa have strategy provider accounts? Yes, Octa does have copy trading. Once you've registered your account, go on the drop down menu and go to copy trading, and then you'll see a lot of providers over there. You can also follow me as a strategy provider. You will see my history there. Beautiful stats. Flexi Forex checkers on the copy trading area. All right, so please take a screenshot of this, familiarize yourself with it, paste it on your wall. I have it in my home office as well. Here in the office I have it everywhere, so it can also remind you. So these are part of the what you call candlestick patterns that are most common in trading. We have the bullish and the bearish harami. We have the bullish doji star. We have the dragon dojis, the gravestone. We have bullish and bearish engulfings. We have the hammer, the shooting stars, the dark cloud, the evening stars, morning stars, inverted hammer, hanging man, rising three methods, 3 stars in the south, piercing pattern, and we have the inside bar. We have the bullish pin bar with short tail. We have the bearish pin bar with short tail and so forth. Bullish pin bar with long tail and so forth. All right. Say I have learned a lot of different strategies from Octa FX but confused which one should follow. I would say look at a strategy that appeals to your personality. Like I said, all strategies work. You just need to find a strategy that is suitable for your that is suitable for your personality. All right, once you master yourself, as I always say, then you will master the market. Find a strategy that is more appealing to that resonates with you, with your personality, and then you can do that. All of them work. Just find the one that works for you. As I always teach different strategies here, and I've always shown you that my strategy is really that simple. All I have to do, the people that trade with me will let you know, all I do is just place my lines. I understand price action. I've been trading for such a long time that I just look at the markets. I understand price action, I understand market structure, and then I'll tell you this is where I'm gonna take my entries. And if I'm correct, I know I'm banking 100 pips, and if I'm wrong, I'm losing about 30 to 40 pips because of my stop loss. And then that's pretty much it. Let's get right down to it. All right, I believe you've taken a screenshot of this. All right, we have Kamayeshi, how to build a good strategy. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a good strategy that you can build, that you can use today. All right, let's get down right to it. So number one, wait. I did say we're gonna discuss candlesticks with round numbers. All right, let's get right down to it. Candlestick with round numbers. So basically, we're gonna use all of this with round numbers, all of that with round numbers. All right. Let me just quickly put my phone there so I'm able to see properly. All right, let's get right down to it. Let's get right down to it. Candlestick with round numbers. All right. What a lot of people do is they'll either use support and resistance by itself, they'll either use key numbers, key levels by themselves, or use candlestick patterns by themselves. No, you need a confluence. You need many confirmations before you take a trade. Remember, candlesticks are useless on their own, and you must always consider the market environment and what price is telling you. Price action, market structure. Last week we discussed market structure. If you're not here last week, go watch my video from last week. We discussed market structure, the foundation of what trading is. All right. As with any technical indicator or tool, if candlesticks point to a reversal or continuation, that does not mean it will happen. All right. Whenever you see this candlestick cheats, this candlestick patterns happening, that doesn't necessarily mean that the reversal or the continuation will happen. You need other confirmations before you take a trade. The simplest way to use candlesticks is with key levels, which we refer to as round numbers or RB numbers, or single zeros, double zeros, and triple zeros. All right, or tens, hundreds, and thousands. All right, because key levels determine areas where buyers and sellers have set up their defenses. Looking at how candlesticks react to them will help you to greatly predict where price will go next. All right, so we want to use candlesticks with round numbers. All right. Say, can I use hedging instead of stop loss? No, I would not recommend that. I would not recommend that, because then you're gonna find yourself being trapped in a trade. All right, so I'd recommend that you use a stop loss. All right, recommend that you use a stop loss. All right, so for instance, let's have a look at this. We see here we have our key level there, 1.4900. We have a double zero, and we see that the market rejected there. All right, and it went all the way down. Now we see that the market is rejecting here again, and we say, okay, looks like the market is going to break or the market is going to reject. We don't know. So what we need is, we don't take a trade here. All right, what we need to do is we need to wait for price action to happen. We want to wait for candlestick pattern, either a doji, either a bullish engulfing, either a 3 inside down. All right, so there we go. We see the market did that there, and then what do we have here? We have a 3 inside down. All right, it happened where? Right at our key level over there. Right, so now what do? We short the market. All right, we short the market. Let me just quickly clear that. I'm sorry. All right. Let's do that. All right. I'm sorry. What's going on? Yes, there we go. There we go. All right. So we see that we have a 3 inside down formation here happening right at our key levels. So we know that it's time to sell. All right. And then what happens after that? The market short all the way down, and you are in profit. See how simple that is, just by combining the key levels with the candlestick patterns before you do anything else. So you want to see the candlestick pattern happen, and then you can take your trade, and then boom, go all the way down. All right, let's see why you should use candlestick patterns with candlestick patterns with key levels, and not just. So you see the chart that we looked at, you see the same chart, there were so many reversal candlesticks over here. All right, you see so many candlesticks so many candlestick reversal patterns over there, but if you do not use them with key levels, you're gonna have a big problem. Now let's have a look what would have happened if you're using candlesticks alone. See, you see a hammer, you buy, you're in a bit of profits, then boom, the market kicks you out. What happens here? You see an evening star over there. You see an evening star, you sell. Market gets you into profit a bit, boom. Market stops you out again. You see that? You see a doji and then you buy. The market does what? Boom. It goes to the downside and then it kicks you out again. So that's why it's important that you don't just use the candlestick patterns alone, you use them with key levels. And then I'm going to explain what key levels are when we get to the charts, all right? For those of you that do not know what key levels are, I'm going to show you what key levels are when we get to the chart. Number two, I did say this is a strategy that most of you, especially as beginners, you can use this strategy. It works, all right? If you just know the right things to do, it works. And then I'm gonna show you, all right? Or before I do that, what I should do is let me quickly do this. All right, let's quickly go on the chart and see. All right, alrighty, let's quickly go on the chart and see what using candlesticks with key levels mean and how it can help you. All right, so yes, let's look at that. What is our key level over there? Let me just quickly make this slightly thicker so you guys can see it. All right, we have 150 over there. We have 150. All right, so 150 150 is our key level. And what do we see over there? We see an engulfing. We see an engulfing pattern, candlestick there. Market was shooting up and then there was an engulfing, and then after the engulfing the market did what? Boom. But where did the engulfing happen? It happened right here at our key level, right here at our key level, 16,150, which is why it's important, again, like I said, for you to pay attention to the key levels with the candlesticks. Let's look at another one. Let's look at that one there. What's our key level there? 50, 1650. It's our nearest key level. What happened? All right, look at that pattern over there. 3 inside down as well. The market was shooting up, got to a key level, 3 inside down, and the market dropped a bit. All right, you see that? Do you guys see that? You see why it's important to use these bad boys in confluence with a what do we have here? 15,700. 15,700 is our key level. 15,700 is our key level. See, at 15,700 we had an engulfing. Immediately after the engulfing, market shot up all the way 100 points. All right, 100 points to the upside. From here, see, 100 pips to the upside. You see, using candlestick patterns with key levels. All right, double zeros, single zeros, and triple zeros. All right, do we have any questions pertaining to candlesticks? Do we have any questions? All right, do we have any questions? I'll give you guys 2 minutes to ask me questions in the comment section. All right. Nope. Control Shift. No questions. All right, now let's go to the second topic of the day. We're going to be discussing rectangle chart patterns. Like I said, this is which time frame. Time frame really doesn't matter that much depending on what type of a trader that you are. You can use this on 5 minute chart time frame. You can use this on a 4 hour time frame. You can use it on a daily or even on a 1 minute. The most important thing is that you understand market structure. You know the overall trend of the market. You want to know what exactly you are looking for before you start looking for entries at those key levels. All right, that's the most important thing. All right, let's quickly go back to the charts. We're gonna use the same price that we used. All right, key levels. Let's go to a 5 minute chart. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. All right, I'm gonna show you something right now. See that we have a hanging man on a 5 minute time frame. After the hanging man, what do we have? Boom, market goes all the way down. You see that? We have an engulfing over there on a 5 minute. After that, the market did what? Went all the way down. See that? We have a 3 inside down. Market went all the way down on a 5 minute time frame. We have an engulfing over there. Market shot all the way up on a 5 minute time frame and key levels. Do you see that? So this works on whatever time frame, depending on what type of a trader that you are. Like I said, the most important thing is that you understand what you call. The most important thing is that you understand market structure. Once you understand market structure, higher highs, higher lows, break of structure, change of character, and all of that, and then it's easier for you to start spotting these entries. All right, of which if you can go and watch my previous live trading session that I did last week, you can see you can understand in more detail what market structure is and how you can use it to your advantage with candlesticks, as well as with candlesticks, as well as a key levels. All right, alrighty. Bingo. All right, let's move on. Rectangle chart pattern is formed when price is bounded by parallel support and resistance levels. All right, if you remember, I taught you guys about the consolidation phase. All right, rectangle chart pattern is basically a consolidation. All right, and what you want to do is you want to trade the breakout of that consolidation. So a rectangle exhibits a period of consolidation or indecision in the market. The price will test the support and resistance levels several times before eventually breaking out. From there, the price could trend in the direction of the breakout, whether it is to the upside or the downside. Literally, a rectangle, it's what that is. It's a consolidation where the market is just moving up and down, it's just moving sideways like that, just going up down until it breaks out of that particular rectangle. All right, as we can see, this is a rectangle. That's why it's called a rectangle chart pattern. However, this is what a consolidation is, where the market is just moving upside, just bouncing between two prices. All right, we see price bounce there, bounce there, bounce there, bounce there, and eventually what we want to see is we want to see a breakout where the market breaks out of that to the top side or breaks out of that to the downside, and we will have something like this. Right, the market was in a downtrend. We have a bearish rectangle. The market is in a downtrend, and then the market gives a consolidation a bit. Then the market breaks out of the consolidation, and then it goes to the downside. All right, that's it. That's what we call our expansion phase. All right, so you just want the market to break out of that. You enter your trade there. You put your stop loss above the triangle. If it breaks to the downside, you put your stop loss above the triangle and see what the market does. If it breaks to the upside, you enter immediately after the breakout and the retest the market, and then you put your stop loss below, and then the market goes all the way up. All right, do you guys understand that? Let's have a look at a bullish rectangle. A bullish rectangle, we are in an uptrend. All right, then we'll have a bit of a consolidation over there, and then what does the market do? Market breaks out of that and then pushes to the upside. That's where you put your stop losses below. If you are buying, you put your stop loss below the triangle, the rectangle, and then if you are buying, you are selling, you put your stop losses above the rectangle. All right, as I said, that is the most simplest concept regarding the breakout. Some people call it the London breakout strategy. All right, where the market is just consolidating and you wait for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside, and then you take the direction of the breakout as you trade. The best way to use this again is with key levels. Let's quickly check. All right, we're quickly going to check. All right, we're quickly going to check over there, and then let's see if we can see a nice consolidation over there. This is on a 1 hour. Let's quickly go on the 30 minutes so we can see a nice consolidation area. All right, we have a consolidation area over here. All right, that's our high, that's our low, and price has just been playing here. You can even use that as your low. All right, because that was a fake out over there. All right, so you see what's happening again next to our key level. Price is consolidating. Then we have a breakout, which is our expansion. We have our retracement, and then we have our reversal phase. All right, so let's see the breakout of that. That is 16,000. Again, our key level. See how important the key levels are. See how important, how they work with everything. Man, I love this. I love this concept. All right, we see over there the market broke to the downside, and then what happened? Boom, market shot all the way down. All right, we had our expansion, we have a consolidation phase, breakout to the downside, the market continues selling. We have a retracement phase. All right, after the retracement we have our reversal phase. That's when the market went all the way down to the downside. All right, do you guys have any question regarding, see how simplified this is? It's so clear that all you have to wait is for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. Let's quickly have a look at another consolidation where the market broke to the upside, and then let's see what you would have done. All right, let's see what you would have done. All right, let's quickly look at where the market broke to the upside. There we go. What's the best leverage and lot size I can use on a $70 account? I'd recommend a 0.01. I'd recommend a 1:100. All right, if you're a bit of a risker, you can go as high as 1:500. All right, as you can see over there, we had a consolidation. Market is just going up and down, break out to the upside, the market shot all the way up. Do you see that? Consolidation, market broke to the downside, continued going down. You see that? I don't know why my computer is so slow. All right, do you guys see that? All good. All right, let's move on to our next risk management. How much do we have? We have about 10 minutes left. Risk management tips. As I did say, I'm going to give you guys some risk management tips, and immediately after this we're going to go into the chat, see if we can get when key level is broken, must I wait for a retracement? Usually you will get them at on the smaller time frames, all right? But like I said, the most important thing you want to understand is price action, it's market structure, right? And go watch the previous one that I did just last week, Monday. I did break down to the most simplest form of market structure. Go have a look at it. Once you understand that, and once you have that break, you can go on smaller time frames. Again, let's just quickly go down to it, and then so you guys can see exactly what I mean. All right. Which one do we want to see? We want to look at that over there. That's 16,000, right? That's on a 30 minutes. Let's quickly go on a 5 minutes. Let's see. 16,000. Where's that 16,000? You see on a smaller time frame what happened. The market broke out and tried to went back to go back in. All right. Let's see that on a 1 minute how that looks like. 5950, we're looking at 16,000. Let's quickly go to 16,000. As to why my computer is so slow today, I don't understand, but I do apologize for that. All right. So as you can see, the market broke out here. All right. Came to play around a bit, gave us another consolidation a bit there, and then eventually the market broke to the downside. All right. But the main thing is, once you understand exactly what you're looking for, you don't really have to wait for the retracement. Retracement is more of a confirmation entry. All right. But for the sake of the rectangle chart pattern, what you want to do is at the break of this, you go in, you place your stop loss above the rectangle, all right, and then wait for the market to play out. If you are wrong, if there was a false breakout, the market will eventually go back into the triangle. But then if not, then as you can see over there, the market went all the way down. All right. All right. So risk management. Let's talk risk management. All right. Number one is the question should not be how much I will profit on this trade. The true question is, will I be fine if I don't profit from this trade? All right. I read somewhere that was a very interesting, and I think I did put it on my Instagram. They said professional traders that knows that opportunities will always come in the market, but amateurs and gamblers think that this is the last opportunity and they think that they must win. All right. So whenever you come into trading, whenever you want to open a trading position, please understand that the question is not how much I will profit on this trade. What professional traders say is, if I lose this trade, will I be fine? All right. That is number one tip. Whenever you open a trade, just make sure, are you okay with the amount of money you would lose if that trade goes against you? Don't always look at the plus side, but also look at what could go wrong, and if it goes wrong, are you okay with that decision? All right. Number two is technical analysis can make you profits, but only risk management skills can keep those profits. It's like what I said in the beginning. All you need is a strategy that is 50% accurate, but it is risk management that makes you become profitable, that makes you become consistent. All right. Technical analysis can make you profits, but risk management helps you to keep those profits. Number three is good trading is not the absence of losses. Good trading is the ability to keep them under control. Just to let you guys know as well, is even I myself, I have losses. Today, Euro USD beat me. GBP USD, they all beat me, all right? Almost as at my stop loss. But that doesn't mean that I'm a bad trader. It just means that I just had a bad trading day. All right. So please understand that good trading is not the absence of losses. Good trading is the ability to keep them under control. Be able to keep your losses under control. Do not allow your losses to go over your head. Do not allow your losses to wipe out your account. You need to be able to manage them. All right. And number four, last one for the day, is making a million without risk management means it's only a matter of time before the market takes it all back. Making a million without risk management, it's only a matter of time before the market takes it all back. All right. Making a million with proper risk management rules means it's only a matter of time before you make much more. Do you get that? I think that is self-explanatory. Making a million without risk management means it's only a matter of time before you take it back. That means you only made it by luck. All right. And as we know, anything about luck is that luck runs out. And when your luck runs out, it means you're going to take that million back into the market. All right. But if you make a million by using proper risk management, that means you have a more systemized approach to trading, following your risk management rules. That means it's only a matter of time for you to repeat the same thing that you did, that you make so much more. All right. All right. Hope you guys are good. So let's, as I promised you guys, that I'm going to give you a promo code for you to use to get your 100% deposit bonus. Take advantage of the promo code in 5 simple steps. Number 1, open your Octa trading app or visit the official website. Go to your profile, find the promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code and press activate. Make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. All right. And the promo code is Isaac Edu. That is the promo code that you will use to get your 100% deposit bonus. Isaac Edu. All right. And before I leave you guys, you can ask questions. But before we go, I have something to play for you again. For those of you that were not here in the beginning, we wish you a happy trading. We wish you a happy trading and an Octa New Year.
Celebrate with Octa. Trade with profitable offers. Win astonishing prizes.
And a happy New Year. Oh man, isn't that amazing? I'm in deep Christmas spirits, man. I hope you guys are. We wish you a happy trading and an Octa New Year. And remember, there is a promo that is running right now where you get a chance to win a Rolex watch. If you guys know about watches, please, if you don't know about watches, go and do your research, learn about watches. All right, a Rolex, the cheapest Rolex you can get is about 250,000 rand. So you can imagine if you win that, that is amazing. All right, that could literally change your lives. And Rolex doesn't really lose value, so stay tuned for that. It's starting today until the 22nd of December. You get a chance to win a Rolex. Number 2, you get a chance to win Apple Hermes watches. Apple Hermes watches. And number 3, you get to win cool Octa cool merchandise. Octa is the new blue merchandise. So all you have to do is you need to open up a trading account, you need to fund it, and you need to start trading. The more you trade, the higher chances of you winning. You need to trade a minimum of 2 standard lots to get your entry. And the more you trade, the higher your chances of winning. And every 2 lots give you an entry into the giveaway. So make sure that you start trading today. As of the 4th of December until the 22nd of December, and the winner will be announced a day after Christmas on the 26th of December. And from me to you and yours and your family, I wish you a great December. I hope you finish this year with a bang. I hope you finish this year with more profits in your trading accounts. And I wish that you win the Rolex, you win the Hermes watch, the Apple watch, and you win the Octa cool merchandise. I love you. Jesus loves you. That's it from me. Have a great week ahead. Have a great month ahead. I will see you guys on next week Monday for another live trading session, and on Thursday next week we're gonna be doing trading psychology webinar. Make sure that you attend that. We're gonna be talking everything that has to do with psychology to make sure that you take your trading to the next level. That's it from me, guys. Let's have a happy trading. We wish you a happy trading. We wish you a happy trading and an Octa New Year.
Celebrate with Octa. Trade with profitable offers. Win astonishing prizes. Octa. Trade to celebrate.